All right, so today let's talk about how to change the foot of your sewing machine. If you remember, this is your foot. Let's get into it. Sometimes when you're sewing a garment, you need special tools in order to make the technique simpler. Okay, what I mean by that, just to give you an example, is with zippers. Even though I can use this foot to put in a zipper, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but they make special feet specifically for putting in zippers, and this will make it so much more easier. Let me show you how to change it. Behind the needle, there is a black button. If you push that, do you see how my foot completely detached? So to put it back on, you're just going to line it up, and that curve has to catch the bar in your foot. See that? So you're going to put the zipper foot on the exact same way. The only difference is, do you see how this is divided down the middle? You're basically picking if you want this to attach on the left or on the right side. So that's where you're actually going to catch it under that curve. So you're literally just lining your foot up under that curve, let it down, and it will pick it up. Since we have this on, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it. In the next lesson, I am going to show you how to put in a zipper. You guys keep showing me love. Make sure you watch my videos, and do me a favor and click the link in the bio. If you are interested in detailed sewing lessons, if you want to support, then all you have to do is click the link in my bio. See you in the next lesson. Bring pen and paper.